Hello, my name's Christina Fox, and this part of my challenge is to make some more scarecrows. I have done this before. I did a couple of scarecrows for 2017 Halloween, and I bought these papier-mâché heads from Hobbycraft because at that time I wasn't really sure if I was clever enough to make some of my own, but I think this year I will. But I have these anyway, so I'm going to use these to start off with. Now the ones I had last year, I painted them both black and then I dry brushed them red, and that did make them look kind of quite spooky. They were quite nice. But this year what I thought I'd do is, I just want to do an experiment just to see what it looks like. I'm going to do one black as a base coat black with dry brushed red, and then another one I'm going to do red as a base coat and dry brush black. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just curious to know how big a difference it will be, which way round you put the paints. So I don't use these expensive acrylic paints. This is just household paint that I bought at Wilkinson's, which is sort of, it's not really a hardware store, is it? It does a little bit of everything here in the UK. But the paint works really well. It's really cheap, so it fits my budget criteria. So with the magic of television, 2 hours has now gone by and these are pretty much dry. So I've got one pumpkin with a black base coat and another one with a nice red base coat. So the idea now is to dry brush this in red and dry brush that in black and compare and contrast and see which one looks the spookiest. I'm going to go with the one with the black base coat first. So I'm going to just take as much paint off the brush as I can and then just wow, there we go. So this one had the base colour was black with the red on top, and that's definitely my favourite. The red one with the black on top just looks like it's a bit sort of dirty and grubby. Whereas that seems to, I don't know, it just seems to have blended better. It just looks more convincing that this is a old and kind of spooky pumpkin, where the other one just, to be honest, just looks like a really bad paint job. So I definitely know from that, dark colours first, then the lighter colours on top. But this I don't like. So I'm actually going to paint this all black and then do the red again on top, just like this one, because it looks so much better. This, no, it just doesn't work. So there we go. This is the favourite.